So, it's time to unbox the brand new Xiaomi Mi6X. Without wasting your time, let's get started. The box contains a fast charger. The power adapter is very small in size but still it can charge the device quickly. Also, the box contains a USB Type-C cable, which is good.
The Xiaomi Mi6X has been unveiled as a successor for the Mi5X phone from last year. Compared to the predecessor phone, the Mi6X comes with some improvements like trendy full-screen design and dual rear cameras. Also, the Mi6X is the cheapest smartphone with Snapdragon 660 chipset. Overall, the design of the Mi6X looks quite premium. The device comes with a similar design with the Redmi Note 5, both at the front and back, with just a few differences between both mid-range models. One of such differences is the hidden antenna band design, which the Mi6X features. Unlike the Redmi Note 5, which the antenna band cut across the top and bottom parts of the back panel, the Mi6X features the U-shaped, fused antenna band design, whereby the antenna lines are located at the top and bottom edges of the device. The Mi6X also comes with a thinner body, which is just 7.3mm thick, as against 8.1mm thickness of the Redmi Note 5. Perhaps this was the reason why the 3.5mm audio jack had to make way. The 5.99-inch full-screen design is of the Redmi Note 5 is also maintained, but Xiaomi swapped the location of the camera sensors and selfie camera on the Mi6X, perhaps just to differentiate it from the Redmi model. The highlight of the Mi6X are the cameras, which feature AI integration for improved photos. The Mi6X selfie camera has a 20-megapixel sensor with f1.75 aperture and fixed focal length and soft LED flash. On the back is a dual camera setup with 12-megapixel primary sensor with f1.75 aperture and 1.25 micron pixels, and a 20-megapixel secondary sensor with the same aperture but 1 micron pixel size. The rear camera setup is accompanied by phase detection autofocus and dual-tone LED flash. On both the back and front, there is AI scene recognition for better colors in the photos, as well as portrait mode. Other AI-based features in the phone include AI background bokeh, AI Smart Beauty 4.0, AI currency conversion, etc. The Mi6X also has AI-powered translation and can convert text from Chinese languages to English. The handset also supports face unlock functionality, along with the fingerprint sensor on the back. Battery capacity of the handset is 3010 mAh, with support for Quick Charge 3.0, that allows it to go from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. Connectivity options on the Mi6X include 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.0, IR Blaster, USB Type-C port. However, there is no 3.5mm earphone jack this time. Sensors on board include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, proximity sensor. It has an all-metal body, dual speakers on the bottom, and comes in 5 color options: red, gold, rose gold, blue, and black. The smartphone measures 7.3mm in thickness and weighs 168 grams. As for the price, 128GB Xiaomi Mi6X variant that has 6GB of RAM carries a price tag of $316 only. The 64GB Mi6X models with 4GB of RAM and 6GB of RAM is priced at $253 and $285. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.